This is Senator Ben Cardin. Senator Ben Cardin, Kwaise and Fume, the Maryland delegation, the General Assembly. I was making a documentary about the prison industry in Maryland, the money you make off black bodies, and I used the toilet to do it. That's Ryan Dorsey. He's been knowing me since I was a little boy. That's the Department of Justice, U.S. Department of Justice, asset recovery and money laundering. The state of Maryland participated in money laundering. Y'all took my truck, my computer, and y'all took $250 million worth of material. Unlawful conversion. You sold my truck before I went to trial. That's Senator Ben Cardin's Privacy Act. All right? That's Dwayne G. Davis, N62528, 4/3/2023. That's Senator Ben Cardin's. He received this 4/5/2023. That's Senator Ben Cardin's. The documentary is documented, and it's all about Senator Cardin's. I was kidnapped on February the 7th, 2011, because I was making this documentary. That's 2007. You feel me? My store on Falls Road. In regards to your documentary, I would not be able to appear. That toilet in Towson was about Senator Cardin's, Governor O'Malley's mom machine, and the mom machine that he created. That's Senator Cardin's. So we're going to tell his legacy of lies. That's my visitor's pass to Annapolis. Those are the criminal charges against Scott Shellenberger. That's Baltimore City. That's Baltimore City. You feel me? That's the Board of Elections, and we're talking about voter suppression by the Democratic Party. Release all material to the voters. That's Governor O'Malley and parole and probation. Senator Cardin's had that too. It's a federal investigation because it covered 2 states. That's Pam Woods. You seen me yesterday with Pam Woods and Angela Asselbrook and Johnny Oleski. That's the Baltimore Sun, Tony Roberts. And we talking about the money y'all make behind black bodies. The money y'all make behind stop and frisk and zero tolerance. The money y'all's making, the art of getting money, protecting Governor O'Malley. That's Scott Shellenberger. Greg Bernstein, Scott Shellenberger, Chief Johnson, and Governor O'Malley. If you go to Senator Cardin's office, he got my whistleblower's complaint. You go to Senator Cardin's office, he got the criminal charges against Scott Shellenberger, Greg Bernstein, Governor O'Malley, and Chief Johnson. You can't use your office to protect the corruption. That's against the law. This is Watergate 2023. We're going to show the Democratic Party the money you make off black bodies. That's the Department of Justice. That's Judge Bell. That's Governor O'Malley. And that's proof I was making a documentary about y'all. That's the Office of the Clerk of the Court, the Supreme Court. That's the Supreme Court 2007. 2007 Supreme Court. 2007 Ben Cardin's. We clear on this conversation? Art and activism, the art of protest. We weaving in Baltimore. We weaving a better Baltimore. Being black in America 2023. I'm a free black man. And I'm weaving a better Baltimore.